Hello, you welcome back to my channel. So today we'll learn how to recreate that style using a mock pattern. So when I say mock pattern, it's not exactly, I'm not using anybody's measurements, but I hope you get the idea. So the first thing you're going to do is that you draft just simple gown pattern after doing for the front and back. After doing that, mark half inch below the half length, half inch or 0.25 depending on what you use to join. If you use 0.25 to join, mark 2.5 below the half length. If you use half inch to join, mark half inch below the half length. The idea of this is by the time you're done joining, it goes back to your original half length. So from that half inch below the half length, mark a point in the hem where you want the curve to start and end. After doing that, based on the video, you join your curve and then cut it out. Okay, so when you're done cutting out, the next thing you're going to do is that you measure the distance from the hem of the front bodice to the hem of the back bodice. I hope you understand. So measure that distance because that's what you'll be using to determine your flay. Now, there are two methods of doing this flay. If you want it to be very full, both bottom and above, that's one method. If you want it to be just full in the bottom area, more like 360 flay, that's another method. So I'll be showing you how to do this method. I'm starting with the first one where it will be full both below and above. I hope you understand. So for that one, for the both of them, we'll be using the slash and spread method. So for the first one, just cut it out like I'm doing in this video. Cut it out and then spread it depending on how full, depending on the fullness you want. Spread it and try to make sure that the distance between each one is equal. And then you now cut it out. That's for the first method. And you'll notice that for this one, it will be full. The fullness will be above and below. For the second one, the fullness is just below. There's no fullness above. So you also slash and spread for this method using this formula. Okay, so I'm done with the two different styles for making the hip flay. I'm going to show you what they would look like on the bodies. For one style, like I told you, for one side, for the left side, you get the flay that will be full on the top and the bottom. So the fullness is both in the bottom area and the up part. I hope you understand. There's volume up and down. But for the second method, there's volume down. There's no volume up. So I hope you get these two methods. You can achieve them using the slash and spread method. So that is all. That is how it will look like. For one side you get one style and for the other side you get another style. So you just have two different options to make a choice from. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. But if you have any question or you need any further clarification, please leave your questions in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond. This is the final result. I did the method that involves volume up and down. I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, bye.